Hitesh, thank you so much for your time today. Before we move to, introducing you yourself,
Mhm.
just a quick thing from my side. Hitesh is our youngest engineering manager today, and
Mhm.
this chat is about, how your day is like. What are you solving? What do you think about the organization and the culture? So let's
Yeah.
start with Hitesh. Your introduction. Who is Hitesh? Where does he come from? What has been your past experience, and what your current role at Safe is?
Yeah. Hi, Payal. First of all, thank you for having me here today. And just to introduce myself, as you said, I joined SAFE around 1.5 years back, and I'm a passionate software engineer first, and then an engineering leader. I come from a small town, Sirsa, Haryana. I did my engineering from JP Institute of Information Technology, Noida, and while doing engineering, I did a 3 months research internship in IIT Delhi as well. After college, I started my professional career in Coupon Dunia. It's an online coupon and cashback platform for top e-commerce websites. And there I was part of the Ninja team there to introduce cashback engine to Coupon Dunia. And there I learned on front-end, back-end development after college. And after that, I joined Reputa Robotics, where we built cloud robotics platform for developers, which was a platform as a service. There I joined as a SD1, and I was one of the initial engineers there to join India team, right? And we built bigger team there. I became an engineering leader there, and I also got 3 patents in cloud robotics domain. After a while, when I started looking for more exciting and challenging opportunities, I got to know about SAFE. And then I joined SAFE as a senior engineering manager, where my job is to plan, design, execute, and deliver engineering solutions for quantifying cyber risk. So, Pyle, that's a short introduction from my side and some of my past experience. Yeah.
Thank you, Hitesh. This is wonderful. So you came in to solve a big problem when you joined us.
Yep.
What is the problem statement that you and your team are working on today?
Yep. So as of today, we as a team are working on producing ROSI module for our product. ROSI is Return on Security Investment module. This module is the core of cyber risk quantification, which we do, right? And this helps businesses in 2 ways. One is to identify and prioritize what gives maximum return on security investment in real time. And second is what's the financial impact on the risks they have, right? And this helps our businesses to get the entire CQRM as a package, which we offer in the product. Yeah.
Understood. But when you came in for a different segment. You came in to build something called Safe Me.
Yes.
What was Safe Me? How does it help people? How did you and the team, bring this into play?
Yeah, yeah, that is true, Payal, as there are constant changing priorities in a startup. So when I joined, I was working in a application called Safe Me. It's a mobile application actually for cybersecurity awareness, knowing deep and dark web exposures and making your device, your Android device or your iOS device more secure. This device is free of usage by general audience also, and we have an enterprise version also available, which has more features for our enterprise customers, right? And this was my first project after joining Safe, and it's completely powered by serverless stack with DynamoDB AWS. And we did a lot of optimizations after me joining there to make it multi-tenant and to make it scalable for our customers to use it. Yeah.
Understood. So we have some really exciting projects and some really exciting stuff happening at Safe today.
Yep.
Today, if someone wants to join us or join your team particularly, what would be your advice to this engineer?
Yep. So regarding the exciting thing which we are working on, as I said, we are working on ROSI module, return on security investment. And the interesting challenge here is with the amount of signals we capture from all our different type of cloud connectors, let's say AWS, Azure connector, there are millions of signals per day, right? And we have to ingest all this data in to produce one score that matters, that is our safe score and financial risk using our machine learning model in real time, right? And the advice to our young engineers or engineers who want to join us will be that you should be one, proactive in learning new things. Engineering field is constantly changing, and it's important to stay on top of the latest developments that are happening, right? And the second is that be patient in learning. Rome wasn't built in a day. And similarly, you have to give yourself time in learning new things. And the third and the last thing which I would like to say is be curious and ask questions, right? Whether it's about your requirements or it's about using the right technical tool or in the questions regarding the architecture, right? Even the most basic questions can pick hole in the entire engineering design. So make sure that you have fired up your curiosity while asking those questions. Yeah.
That's very good advice, Hitesh. Let's move to what does your day particularly look like? I mean, you're managing a team, you're looking after the strategy side of it, but what does your day particularly look like?
So my day is typically divided in 4 to 5 parts, right? And then in the beginning, I usually start my day while going to gym, and gym really helps me in starting my day properly, right? And then after that, I come back and then freshen up, and then after that, my first thing is that looking at all the threads, email threads. So that is about 10% of my time. Remaining 40 to 50% of my time goes in solving technical problems for the team, whether it's about architecture or code pairing or peer reviews or joining the bug hunting calls, right? The other 30% time goes in people management, creating timelines, strategic planning, requirement gathering, meeting with technical and non-technical stakeholders, right? And remaining time goes in hiring needs, meeting UPIL, and reading about best practices in engineering and reading about engineering blogs. Like I said, it's a must to keep yourself up to date. So I do spend my time on that as well. And apart from this, since we are working from home, we have a flexible work from home culture. I take 2 tea breaks with my family and have lunch with them. That's the flexibility we have. Yeah.
This is like a very power-packed day, Hitesh.
Yeah.
Let's move towards, our culture. So we have a really elaborate culture.
Uh,
We have, given a lot of thought to how we want people to be in the organization, how much they should feel part of the organization. What do you resonate with most from our culture?
So, Pyle, the way our culture is built usually is that we look for 10x engineers, and we are always looking for innovation, forward thinking, and better architecture. What we are achieving with the rock stars or 10x engineers, or we would like to call them safe stars also, is incredible. The culture pushes us to work as a team and constantly improve ourselves, not only in engineering life, but also in other aspects of life like time management and having better work-life balance.
Got it. What is your most favorite part of working at Safe, Hitesh?
So safe is a place where I can never imagine myself getting bored at, because we are thinking about millions of signals, solving cyber risk quantification problem for our customer, right? And that's a lot of impact you can have, and it's just really gratifying. I get to try new technologies, solving challenging business problems, provide industry first solutions. We can really go beyond our skills that you can have at the moment and push our boundaries simultaneously. So that's the thing which I love about safe. Yeah.
Amazing. What is the bigger problem that you're trying to solve or achieve? What is the bigger goal, and how does your working at Safe make that happen?
Yep. So I want to see myself growing as a engineering leader, and with the level of responsibility I have at Safe, it just constantly is evolving me in that direction. And maybe with this knowledge and this experience, I can run my own startup someday, right?
Mhm.
With the way Safe operates, lets me make my own decision and deliver results. With a lot of aspiring people around me and constantly changing requirement, I get to see the thrill of how the startup runs, and also it shows me that how can I run my own startup in future. So it's just grooming me in that direction, and simultaneously I'm aspiring to be a better engineering leader.
Okay, that's incredible. You want your own startup eventually, and I think this is a brilliant platform to sort of make that happen. Um, Forgetting about the work now, let's move towards what you like to do outside of Safe. If you're not working, what are you doing, Hitesh?
So I love sketching. That's one of the thing which again not a lot of people are aware about. Only my friends and family know, right? And before Corona wave, fun fact is that I used to sit in Starbucks till midnight on weekends and sketch and make friends over coffee. So that is something which I love doing outside of work.
Oh, that's interesting. That's a very nice way to meet new people.
Yep.
My last question. What is something people don't know about you at Safe?
So again, one thing which again people don't know is that I am into fitness, and I try to run either 10 kilometers or go to gym daily. It helps me maintain a healthy lifestyle, free of stress, and do my job more efficiently. I used to weigh 125 kgs actually, and I used to get bullied for that. And now that I've lost weight, I gain more confidence in this process, and it's something which I enjoy doing every day.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Very, very. I mean, I didn't know this. This is great. Thank you, Hitesh, for your time. It was wonderful chatting with you, and we'll keep doing these, every quarter. So I'll see you soon, and then we can have another chat.
Sure. Lovely talking to you, Payal. Thank you.
Likewise. Thank you.